guys, it's Lil, and today we are here on Roblox, and I want to show you how to get some thick legs. But I'll be right back. Sorry, but shout out goes to Cutie Pie. She is one of my friends. It is her birthday today, so happy birthday. It might not be the same day, but happy birthday and shout out. But the whole reason why we're on here is for the thick legs. As you see, I just changed my character to a noob. Well, I don't really want to say that. To the thing that pops up when you go onto the game. You go on your thing, it will pop up all your stuff. Like, it won't pop up with all this stuff. But basically, what you want to do is pick out your accessories. I'm going to start off with my clothing. First, I'm going to start off with my beret. Sorry. I was trying to say fancy, but it didn't really turn out good. And I'm going to go with that outfit. Then for my hair, I'm going to go with the cinnamon brown. And for mask, I'm going to go for this. Be right back. Sorry for all the interruptions, but that's what I'm going with for that. Then for my neck, I don't want anything. And yeah, so then I'm going to go to my body. Now, I'm going to go to skin tone. And I'm going to go with like this color. That's good as it is. And I'm going to go with this face. Now, I am completely done. And what you want to do now is pick out your torso. And this is for more like ladies. But you're going to want to go with the woman torso, but then go with any handsy one. I'm going with these hands because I think they look really cute. And then for my head, I'm going to change it to this one because I think that looks so pretty. And then there's another thing that you need to know. So basically, I've already bought it, but if you go on your catalog, if you search up from the body parts, I think. Yep. Bundles. If you go to bundles and you search up man, it's free. So you click on the man and you buy it. I already bought it, so it's owned. So, yeah. Then you go back to your avatar, and here comes the best part. Then, when you go in the legs, you want to pick out this one. This one is the one that you're supposed to pick. This one is the girl one. This one is the one you want to pick. Alright? Then, you move on to the next one, and you do the same thing. Now, your feet are huge, and they're so cute. As you can see. Then, if you want to, I'm going to do my animations. I am going to do this one. I'm going to walk like this. Actually, this. I'm going to run like this. I'm going to jump like this. I'm going to fall like this. I'm going to climb like this. And I'm going to swim like this. So, then you will have your normal avatar, but huge legs. And I'll show you the difference. 1 second. Here is the difference. As you can see, the feet are totally different, and the legs are totally different. The feet are small, as you can see right there, and then the legs aren't as thick, as you would say, for the thing. So, let me just switch back. But yeah, I think that was all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video so much. This was just a hack because I thought I would want to share with you guys and, just tell you guys what I think about this. But yeah, if you liked this video, don't forget to like, share with a friend, comment down below what you want me to do next, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Ding! I hope you all enjoy this video. Bye, guys!
Raindrops, drop top, smoking